Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to your Toyota Sienna's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned on. Then, locate the setup menu on your infotainment screen. From there, select Bluetooth and then add new device to initiate the pairing. This prepares your Sienna to receive a new phone connection, making hands-free communication and audio streaming possible in just a few simple steps. Now let's get your phone connected. On your mobile device, turn on Bluetooth and search for available devices. You should see Toyota Sienna appear in the list. Select it. A 6-digit pairing code will then display on both your phone and the Sienna's screen. Confirm that these codes match and your phone will be successfully paired, ready for use in your vehicle. Once connected, you can enjoy several convenient features. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls with your contact list accessible right on the Sienna's screen. Plus, you can wirelessly stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks through the vehicle's speakers. Use the steering wheel controls to manage calls and audio playback, and adjust the volume for a comfortable listening experience. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Try deleting any old, unused devices from your Sienna's Bluetooth memory. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system can resolve connection problems. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is set to discoverable. If issues persist, your owner's manual provides specific instructions for your Sienna model, offering detailed guidance for a smooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.